Do you want to make risengrød, or as they call it in English, Danish rice pudding? Then keep on watching and let's use some cinnamon to get you into the Christmas mood. So we start by lighting up our candles. It's a little bit of a big flame there, Alex. And then we add in 600 milliliters of water to a large pot. We need gas. Add in washed Japanese rice, or add in porridge rice if you have that available. Give that a small stir and let that come up to a boil. Then after boiling that for 2 minutes, then we can go ahead and add in our milk. We need 2 liters of milk for 360 grams of rice. So that's quite a lot of milk, and it might seem overwhelming, but that's just the amount of milk you need for 4 people. Give that a stir and then bring it up to a boil as well on medium heat. And the higher quality the milk, the better the rice pudding will be, as it is a major component of the risengrød, of course. Continue to stir that while it's boiling for about 10 minutes. And then we can place a lid on it. Keep boiling and stirring that with the lid on for the next 30 minutes ish, and if it has the right texture, then you can go ahead and add in the last salt, which is just a teaspoon of salt. Give that a final stir. If it isn't the right texture like it is here, then you can always boil it for another 5 or 10 minutes depending on the rice pudding. Then we need some topping, and for that we're gonna make some cinnamon sugar. The ratio is totally up to you, but usually you are making 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to 3 or 4 teaspoons of sugar. Drizzle that on top of your pudding and then top it off with a small piece of butter. So we finished this year's rice pudding, or risengrød. Let's have a go at it, shall we? If you're from Denmark and you want some Christmas memories or Christmas nostalgia, then this is definitely one of the best dishes you can go for, I think. The dish is great because of all the richness from the butter that just melts away on top of your risengrød, as well as the sweetness from the cinnamon sugar. And then you have the pudding, or rice pudding, and it's just a very nice combination. But you can also take this and then make it into risalamande, which is so I just wanted to stop you there, Alex. The risalamande is of course a brilliant dessert that will bring in some different ingredients that are a little bit more expensive, such as the peeled almonds, vanilla, whipped cream, and the cherry sauce on top. And it is a dish that only the rich people could afford, because they really wanted to get rice pudding for Christmas, but they wanted a little bit more of a luxurious dish. So they created this instead of the regular rice pudding and could eat that for Christmas. But nowadays it is very common to eat, even for regular people. We might do that in the future. If you want to see that in the future, then let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe as well, so you won't miss out on future videos. Otherwise, then thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Vi ses!